3, 2, 1.
What ocean is bordered by North America, South America, and Antarctica? The answer is D, Atlantic. What is the missing word in the popular proverb dogs of the same street alike? The answer is B, bark. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? The answer is B, Japan. If a prescription has the terms NS and OS written on it, what does this probably mean? The answer is D, you have an eye problem. Which has the longest wavelength? The answer is A, red light. Which philosopher famously said freedom is secured not by the fulfilling of one's desires, but by the removal of desire? The answer is B, Epictetus. What is the name of the process in which igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks are converted into one another in stages? The answer is A, rock cycle. When a Red Bull RR is bred with a white cow WW, a roan calf RW is sometimes produced. If a Red Bull RW is bred with roan cow RW, what is the most likely outcome of the offspring? The answer is A, 1 red, 1 white, and 2 roan. Which of the following would have best aided a vessel at sea in crossing the sea in the 18th century? The answer is C, an experienced navigator. Which brand is known for Levi's jeans? The answer is D, Levi Strauss. What is the world's largest island that's also a mountain? The answer is A, New Guinea. What is the process by which a virus enters and infects a cell called? The answer is D, infection. Which Star Wars character says, "I find your lack of faith disturbing"? The answer is B, Darth Vader. Which mountain range spans South America from north to south? The answer is B, Alps. Which psychologist is known for his studies on animal learning and conditioning? The answer is A, Pavlov. Which movie star delivered the following line, "Let off some steam, Bennett"? The answer is D, Arnold Schwarzenegger in Commando. Distance traveled divided by time yields what measurement, which is another word used to describe the speed of a chemical reaction? The answer is B, rate. What travels around the world but stays in a corner? The answer is C, pepper. How many sides does a regular hexagon have? The answer is C, 7. What is the star-like structure inside the paramecia? The answer is C, the contractile vacuole. What is the largest country on the planet in terms of territory? The answer is D, Russia. What is the basic unit of information in computing? The answer is B, bit. During the song Damn It Janet, featured in the Rocky Horror Picture Show movie, which two characters are dressed up as the couple from Grant Wood's painting American Gothic? The answer is A, Riff Raff and Magenta. Which fruit's name comes from its resemblance to a dragon's nose? The answer is A, dragon fruit. An example of playing a musical instrument is what? The answer is D, banging drums. What was the last name of the ship's captain on the TV show Here Come the Brides? The answer is B, Clancy. What did Abraham Lincoln buy in April 1860? The answer is C, cocaine. In the 2006-07 Ashes series, which batsman took the single winning run as Australia to a 5-0 whitewash against England for the first time in 86 years? The answer is B, Matthew Hayden. In Titanic, who plays Rose DeWitt Bukater? The answer is A, Kate Winslet. What actress voiced Princess Fiona in the Shrek movies? The answer is A, Cameron Diaz. What is the chemical name of common salt? The answer is C, sodium chloride. I vibrate at 440 Hz and give a forwards pitch. Who am I? The answer is A, tuning fork. What is the successor to MS Paint called in Windows 10? The answer is C, Paint Pro. Which philosopher proposed the concept of will to power? The answer is C, Friedrich Nietzsche. Which film does the following quote come from? The answer is B, THX 1138. Which programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie? The answer is A, C++. Which protein is responsible for muscle contraction? The answer is B, myosin. What film company released the film Shrek the Third? The answer is A, DreamWorks. When a scientist performs an experiment, There are many changes that can occur. Which observation should she list as a chemical change? The answer is D. The substance changed into a new substance. F Troop was a wacky show starring Ken Berry and Forrest Tucker amongst others. What year did F Troop start on our TV sets? The answer is A. 1965. What lays an ostrich egg? The answer is D. Ostrich. What always comes once a minute, but never comes twice in a minute? The answer is C. Moonlight. Which planet has a great heart-shaped storm? The answer is C. Neptune. The group of plants that can make their own food from inorganic raw materials in the presence of sunlight are referred to as what? The answer is D. Autotrophic. What is the primary function of a diode in an electronic circuit? The answer is A. Voltage regulation. What are small organelles and are the site of protein synthesis? The answer is C. Ribosomes. The movement of crustal plates results from circulating currents in material beneath the crust of Earth. Which best describes the material which moves the crustal plates? The answer is B. Molten rock. In what year was the movie Next Friday released? The answer is A. 2000. What part of the body is considered to contain the soul according to Cambodian beliefs and tradition? The answer is D. Head. Which is not a type of light?